The Nokia X300 Ultra 5G, if released as a true flagship contender, could mark Nokia's bold return to the high-end smartphone arena with specs that rival the biggest names in the industry. Envisioned with a stunning large AMOLED display with a high refresh rate for ultra-smooth visuals, the phone could be powered by a top-tier Snapdragon flagship chipset, such as the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen series, paired with up to 12 to 16 gigabytes of RAM and up to 1 terabyte of fast UFS storage for blistering performance across gaming, multitasking, and AI-driven features. Photography could be a headline feature with a massive 400MP or higher primary camera backed by advanced optical stabilization and versatile auxiliary sensors for ultra-wide and telephoto shots, delivering crisp detail and powerful low-light performance. To ensure long endurance, the X300 Ultra might pack a huge 9,000 mAh battery with super-fast wired and wireless charging, keeping you powered through heavy use without frequent recharges. Running the latest Android with a clean Nokia software experience, the phone would also include modern staples like 5G connectivity, Wi-Fi 7, in-display fingerprint security, premium build quality with water resistance, and enhanced audio features. As a result, the Nokia X300 Ultra 5G could stand alongside current flagship leaders by offering top-tier performance, professional-level imaging, and exceptional battery life in a well-rounded package.